Simple techniques to help you fire up your inner drive. In this presentation, I'm going to show you simple ways you can fire up your inner drive and achieve success. Everyone from time to time lacks the energy to work towards accomplishing our goals. If you find that you don't have the motivation to get up and get moving toward your goals, then you should try these simple techniques to raise your motivation and fire up your inner drive. Technique 1. Think of the worst case scenario. If you haven't already been told, envisioning success is an excellent motivator. However, imagining the exact opposite could be just as motivating. Try envisioning a future that is hopeless, bleak, and stripped of all happiness and success. Envisioning yourself living forever in a rut where hope and a sense of accomplishment are non-existent should be enough to get you fired up about your goals. Technique number 2. Set a date for change. Change is an inevitable part of life. Sometimes change is forced upon us, and sometimes we are the ones that choose when it will happen. It is always better when we have control over the change. If you are looking to change something by a specific date, make a large red circle around the date on a calendar and stick with it. Let it serve as a motivator to start to do things that will move you in the direction of your goal. Technique number 3. Don't lose sight of your goals. When you are distracted by the things going on around you, it is easy to lose focus. To prevent yourself from killing off your motivation, always try to stick with your goals and work to shut out the distractions that are pulling you in another direction. Technique number 4. Break the routine. When you are doing the same thing day after day, you can quickly lose your enthusiasm about the task at hand, which can result in the draining of your energy. No matter how passionate you are with your work and goals, you will start to lose your motivation when your body senses that it is performing the same tasks on a daily basis. Don't be afraid to break out of your routine every once in a while. These simple techniques can help to energize you and fire up your inner drive. By focusing on the activities that keep you motivated, you will discover that you can easily accomplish what you set out to do and find the success that you desire.